So for the 2D platformer, at one point they ask you to add a 2D sprite object from this menu, right? But there's no 2D object menu. What the heck, right? So the reason this happened is Unity dramatically updated their Sprite 2D system, so things changed. So here's how you fix it. You just want to go up to Window, and this lets you access all the window panels in Unity. And we're going down to the Package Manager. The Package Manager is like plugins or add-ons made by Unity that you can add into your project. And by default, it shows everything that's in your project. We don't need that. We want to see what we can add to the project. So Unity Registry is what we choose. And this will show all the packages available for us to install into the project to upgrade it. And one of them is called 2D Sprite. So select that, hit install. It's going to add the 2D Sprite package to your project. All right. As soon as that's done, you see a little green check mark indicating that you now have that package. You can close it out, and now under the game object menu, you have 2D objects available. Now, even more confusing, Simon, is that there is not just a straight up sprite object anymore. They call it sub-objects of sprites. So game object, 2D object, sprites, and you just want to add a square, okay? It used to be that the default 2D sprite object was a square, but now there's multiple options, so they had to name it square. Okay. So now Simon has a square sprite in his scene, and he can make that whatever color he wants. And this is what you're going to use to visually show where your hitbox is. And then later on, they're going to have you just turn the sprite renderer off to make it invisible. Okay? It's still going to be there, and it's still going to run the code when people run into it. But you can turn it off so people can't see it. It's important that you do see it first, though, so you know exactly where the boundaries of your hitbox are. Thanks, Simon, for asking the question everyone else was thinking.